Hi friends, today we're going to be making some boats out of ice. So to do that, we're going to need an ice cube tray or just little containers that you can put water in to make ice, some sticks, I have some food coloring, some tin foil, and I have my water. So first, get a little bit closer. We want to put water in our ice cube tray. So let's pour. We got that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm gonna make 14 boats. So next, we need to choose some colors. I think I want to use red, blue, and yellow. I have my blue. Here's my yellow. Mom, don't drink that, please. And this is the red. Okay, Mom, you need to get down. No, go. I put too much water in these. Okay, I'm gonna fix that. Okay, now we want to put some colors in. I'm gonna do some blues first. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a couple drops in each. I think 2 drops. I'm gonna make 4 blues. 1, 2. I'm gonna make 4 reds. Ready? Let's count this time. 1 red, 2 reds, 3 red, 4 red. That red comes out very fast. Gary didn't count right. We're gonna do a couple yellows, so it's 1 yellow, 2 yellows, 3 yellows, 4 yellows, and we'll leave 2 clear. There we go. So we got our colors in there. We can't really see. Let me see if I can show you. See all the colors. We have our yellows, our reds, and our blue. And then we have 2 clear ones. Okay. Now we need to get our tin foil, and we need to cover the ice cubes, or the water, so that we can put our sticks in it. So we're going to need to take our sticks, and we need to break them into smaller pieces. See, I got my sticks in smaller pieces. Once you have them all broken up, you can take it and poke. I'm going to use this. Poke a hole. Okay, now we need to take our sticks that we take broken up, and we need to stick them through the tin foil. There we go, just like that. You see it? We're going to stick all of our sticks into our tin foil. Make sure they're nice and straight, or as straight as you can get them. Okay, I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and I don't like how long that one is, 14. There. So now that we have our sticks put in our tin foil, see it? I can't get close enough. Now it's time for us to put them in the freezer. Okay, now we need to put it in the freezer. Okay, and then we're gonna leave it there all night so that in the morning it's frozen. Hi friends. So now that our ice is all frozen, we can tape some little paper to the top for our mass. The mass is the part that the wind catches to push the boat, so the boat doesn't have to use its engine. So we have blue, red, yellow, and 2 clear. So let's explore with that. I have some hot water in this. That way our boats can float in the water. Let's put it a little bit closer. There we go. So I think I want to use a blue boat. What do you think is going to happen when I put the blue boat in the water? Is it going to sink? Is it going to float? What do you think is going to happen? Okay, ready? Oh. What happened? Where'd the boat go? Do you see it? Look! It sunk. It did not float at all. What's happening to the water? Is it turning blue? You see the blue? Maybe you'll take it out. Where'd it go? What happened to it? Oh, did the hot water melt the cold ice? What color should we use next? I think I want to try this yellow one. Ready? What do you think is going to happen when I put it in? Is it going to sink or float like the other one? It sunk. I wonder why it's sinking. Why do you think it's sinking? Uh-oh. The boat's all off this one. It's just a stick with the paper. You can swoosh your boats around. What's happening to the water now that I've put yellow in it? What color is it? Can you see? No, because there's a glare. What happened? What color is our water? It's green. Wow. Should we put a red one in there now to see what's going to happen? Let's try a red one. This red one. Do you think it's going to sink or float? We'll have to find out. Hopefully this boat floats. Oh, it didn't float. It sunk. So obviously these sticks are a fail with the ice. Ooh, what's happening to the water? What color is that? I don't know. It kind of looks orange. You want to see? Let's see if I can reach it. Oh. See, it looks kind of orange. Let's put another red one. What do you think will happen if we put 2 reds? Ready? One more. Is he going to sink or float? I think he's going to sink. The rest of them sink. I don't think they're going to float. No. They're not floating. Maybe we can try with something lighter, like a popsicle stick or a straw. I think the sticks are too heavy for the ice. So we put our blue and yellow together, and it turned our water green. That's cool. So blue and yellow, when you mix together, make green. When we added some red to it, it made our water kind of orange. I think that's pretty cool. What colors did your water turn? Well, thanks for coming and playing with me. I'll see you guys next time.